What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video we're going to look into how does earnhive actually works. So basically I've done different research to see what this website is literally all about. So I with the little understanding that I've got so far, and I nearly actually subscribed to a package which of course will have give me access to the inside of the platform, but then I just had to take a little step back. But then probably tomorrow or maybe before the week ends out, if I get confused or hear from those people that have actually subscribed to this platform, maybe I will get more insight about it. But basically, what I understand lately is that this website literally relies on affiliate platform. So you can see here, welcome to NIV, you're striving up for affiliate success. Dive into a world where every small task become a rewarding opportunity. At NI, we have transformed business into prosperity. Our platform business bosses with activities as individual like you engage in quick and fulfilling tasks that leads to tangible earning. So if you scroll down, you also see some but then this is not what I actually wanted to see. Then scroll down, then you see this package here. So on this package, you can see to sign up or have access to the NI dashboard, you have to pay the sum of 4,500 naira. So now scroll down, you see a welcome bonus, or probably you want to write naira, 2,000 naira, then referral bonus, 3,500 naira, indirect one bonus, 300, indirect two bonus. I literally don't understand what this indirect means. Then the I post one, the I post two, 200, 200, then a daily login of 300. So let's say, for example, if they are paying 300 naira on a daily login basis, then probably I'll be able to make my money back within the short period of time, I guess. But then don't worry, because I'm gonna upgrade account this NIF account. I'm gonna sign up and upgrade account to see how it goes so that I'll be able to provide more insight about this platform. And there are still some other points which of course I'll show you in this video. You can see this VTU purchase, you can see check mark, courses check mark, P2P registration check mark. And if you scroll down, you also see to join the community. You can click on that. Another thing which of course happens in the frequently asked question is this. So what is NIve? You can see NIve is an innovative platform that offer a diverse range of tasks designed to help you earn money online. From sharing content to participating in challenges, NIve transform your spare time into a rewarding opportunity. How does NIve works? NIve provide you with tasks tailored to your interest and skill. Complete these tasks and you will earn real reward. Additionally, our level 3 affiliate system lets you earn money from the activities of those you introduce to the platform. This is actually nice. And then do uh how do they pay out? So payout on NIF are also free and transparent. Once you have earned reward, you can choose from various payout options. So you can choose from Thursday, and Friday. These are the payment payout day. Can I collaborate with other NIF user? So you can say, and is NI available worldwide? Yes. How do I contact customer support if I have question? So you can say, can I change my payouts method? Okay, fine. So now scroll down, you also see buy a coupon, verify coupon, I've shop, top earners. So I there are three options I actually want you to see here, which is the buy coupon page. So on this buy coupon page, you can see these are coupon sellers. So and this is the only coupon you can actually get to have access to the inside of the NIF platform. So you can click on FCMB, so it's gonna redirect you to this person WhatsApp. So another one from Big Steph, Dave Media, Mena TV, Case Pro, BB Tracy, and some other. You can see there are a lot of them here. So if one is not available, you can definitely reach out to the other one. So I don't know how they choose people that are actually selling the coupon code, probably from the inside. If you have upgraded your account, I don't know yet, but of course I will know very soon. So another one is top earners. So on this top earners, you're gonna see some amazing numbers. Let me say amazing numbers, because you can see top earners 3 million, 1 million, 1.9 million, 1.3, 1.2, 1 million, 30,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 700 thereabouts, 600, 600, 600 again, 500, 500, 400. I think the last one is 443,000. Wow, this is actually amazing. But then I was so just imagine how they are making that money, because based on what they said here on this particular page. So I don't know why that number, that those figures is actually amazing. And if there is enough of taxes to actually complete inside the platform to make that kind of money, I'm just convinced, and I'm gonna give it a trial to sign up and see how the platform works. Just trying to make this video to see if, of course, we can see some people that have already subscribed to the pro plan of earnhive and see how it works. So another video that I found out there is this particular video. So you can see, let me try to play some so you can see, you can hear from the video. So let's say
once again, this is the face of Dr. Fresh. As you all know, alerts have been flying all around. What do I mean? Alerts have been flying all around. As you can see, 60,000.
so I don't know if they are giving free money or not. This is a screenshot of 62,000, and let's say
With less than 24 hours. My dollar made
this is
67,900.
another
Latest
one.
exchange. Another dollar, my
This is another one again.
painkiller made 17,800.
So I really don't know how people are making that kind of money. But then, like I said earlier, probably there are a lot of tax inside the platform, which of course I believe anyone can actually jump into and start making money from it. But then if you are a pro plan user on this platform, you can let me know through the comment section, and I'm very open to listen and to hear from you. Then if I didn't hear from anyone, I'm gonna just proceed on and buy a coupon and upgrade an account or sign up an account with them and see how it works. I'm gonna give you the full update probably next week to see how the platform works. So if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you.